Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, January the 5th, 2023. We have 2023, yeah. We have here only one a regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, let me show you. We have here an additional with extra puzzles. This one will be special because the news of today, this one will be my 1000th binary puzzle. Yes, I've collected 1000 binary puzzles. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will see the playlist with 1000 binaries. If you like the binaries, just solve them. Alright, in this additional, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. This one, the 1000th binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me and time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. Sudoku Medium number 5728. 5728. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Yeah, the Sudoku Medium has always 26 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row? So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 8 in this column? The 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Ooh. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in the third row should be there. And we have a pair. Yeah, the 4. No, not a pair. Wrong conclusion. 4, 6, and 7. Need a 7. Alright. 4. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. It's a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 4. Let me think. 4, 4. 8, 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 9 8 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Oh, well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is the 6 in this column. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in that row, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this column could be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see another 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, 7, 7, 7, 7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this first row. So this box, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and 4. This box can be a 7 anymore. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Then 4, 4. Let me see. 1, 1. 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. We have a pair. 4 and a 7 in this column. Oh, no, not the pair, not the pair. The 4, yeah, indeed we have a pair. We have a 7 and a 9 in this column. We have a 7 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column. Third column for number 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 7, 6, 4, 8. 5, 5, 5, 5. And 5, 5, 5, 5. Well. 1, 1. You know, 1 here, 1, 1. Come on. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. Here, 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 8, 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 9. 7. Well. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number in this row is the number 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this row should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 2. We have a pair again. The 2 and the 3 in the last row. The 2 and the 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And we have a pair again. 5 and a 6 in this row. 5 and a 6 in that row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So one digit left in this row for the number 1. And we have a pair again, the 1 and the 7 in this row, the 1 and the 7 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6. The 7, the 8 and 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright, do we have all the 8s? Nope. 8 in this column, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 9? Do we have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Right. How about the 6 then? Nope. We have not all the 6s. 2 and the 6. Yeah. 3 and the 4. Yeah. Two missing numbers in this row. This row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then, let me see. Yeah. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So here we have a 2 and 6. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. How about the 1? No. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the third column. Sorry, in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Well, the 7 then. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 7. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see here 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One of them is the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 now in the last column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, one of them is the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, definitely a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in the afternoon or in the evening, the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. See you later.